Hey, it's time to talk about something almost all of us struggle with: fixing your sleep cycle. If you're tired of tossing and turning at 2 a.m. or hitting snooze a dozen times, you're definitely not alone. Today I'm breaking down a 7-day plan to reset your sleep. No pills, no melatonin, no fancy gadgets, just science-backed steps that actually work. First, why does your sleep get out of whack in the first place? Blame late-night scrolling, irregular work hours, and endless stress. Your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, gets confused. Good news, you can reset it. Alright, here's how to fix your sleep cycle in just 7 days. Ready? Let's go. Day 1. Pick your ideal wake-up time and stick to it even if you had a rough night. Consistency is everything. Set an alarm and get out of bed as soon as it rings. Day 2. Sunlight is your secret weapon. Spend at least 20 minutes outside in the morning or open your blinds wide. Light tells your brain, hey, it's time to be awake. Day 3. Schedule your meals, no late-night snacking. Try to eat dinner at least 3 hours before bed. This helps your body shift into sleep mode instead of working on digestion. Day 4. Move your body. A brisk walk, a short workout, even some gentle stretching. Just avoid heavy exercise right before bed, it can keep you wired. Day 5. Ditch screens an hour before you sleep. I know, easier said than done. But blue light from phones and laptops messes with your melatonin, making it harder to wind down. Try reading a book or listening to music instead. Day 6. Test out a simple breathing technique. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. Do it a few times before bed, it signals your body to relax. Day 7. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, and quiet. Block out noise and light, and keep your phone across the room. You'll be surprised how much this helps. Stick to these steps, and watch your sleep, energy, and focus transform. Remember, it's all about resetting your rhythm naturally, no pills required. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more wellness hacks that actually work. Now go crush your day, and get some real rest tonight.